So this is how the cafeteria is laid out now. We have dots on the floor, so we know where to walk in at. There's dots up on the stage. You'll see out in the hallway there's lots of dots out there. Each table is labeled with numbers for the seats. That number right there is 52. So each seat is labeled 1 to 96, and there will only be 96 students sitting here at one time. We used to have 288. And if you see a friend, you wave at your friend. You can't go over and give them a hug or anything, or a high five. Sorry. The food will be waiting for you at the end of the table for the people to give to you. You cannot take your mask off until you either have all your food out of your lunchbox and are ready to eat, or they brought you your lunch tray, and then you may take your mask down. The orientation week, you'll have a different number than normal for where you sit at, because it's an orientation week and it's a much shorter week.
All right, so when you come into the cafeteria, you're going to use this stage door and enter from the hallway. There's going to be a cafeteria monitor waiting for you right here. So today I am playing the cafeteria monitor. So hello, boys and girls, are you ready for lunch? All right, so I want you, as you go down the step, to watch your step, guys, and try to stay on your dots. Very good. Students will go to the middle aisle of the cafeteria. Thank you for watching your step. Good job. Students will then walk to their assigned table and their assigned seat. All of the seats have numbers on them. And as long as students go to their assigned seats, we'll make sure everybody is responsibly distanced. All right, guys. So now, someone else is going to come to the table, and I'm going to make a count of how many students are eating in the cafeteria. So I see that 2 of you have your lunchbox, right? Joy and Kendra, I see you brought your lunch. You can go ahead and pull your mask down and start eating. Now, Laura and Jenny, you need a lunch today, right? It's corn dog day, and you wanted a corn dog. So give me just a second. I'm going to go get your plates for you. So then, Celia is going to bring the food out. It's going to be confirmed with Miss Miguel. Here you go, ladies. Here's your food. You can pull down your mask and enjoy. So now what's going to happen when lunch is over? So about 5 minutes before the end of your lunchtime, the cafeteria monitor is going to tell your students it's almost time to clean up. All right, guys, you have about 2 more minutes to finish up your food. So eat anything else you want to eat in the next 2 minutes. After that, the cafeteria monitor will take the trash can and roll it around the table so the students can close their milks and throw away their trash. Thank you. Gently, thank you. All right. So then by the time you as a teacher come to pick up your students, they're going to be ready to go. So I come back in. All right, boys and girls, we're going to head back to class now. So stand up behind your chair. Remember to keep your distance. All right, follow me. Since we're on this side of the cafeteria, we're going to use the bus ramp to exit. All right, guys. You remember the way? So the reason the students are kind of looping down and around is because we're going to need all of these dots for some of our larger classes. So students will go down to the bottom of the ramp, come back up, and finally be ready to go at the top of the ramp. Now, if you happen to be on the other side of the cafeteria, the side closest to the serving line, you would exit from the other stage door. But we will be there in the cafeteria to show you which door you're going to exit from.